begin with, no, let me say it is not proper to say it that way. Well, I don't know how he came to that conclusion. And he say apply to be a judge. Nobody will ask you for your political orientation or political affiliation or whether you're a member of a political party, let alone asking you of your political ideology. Okay. Say, sorry, they look for people with moral uprightness, moral integrity, and knowledge of the law. That is what they look for. So I am not aware of what he's saying. In any case, what the president did, what appointed judges did. So see, currently there are judges on the bench who are politically inclined, MPP inclined people. Is this suggesting say time now no so or appointed judges enubisa na amoye NDC inclined judges na say wa appointed being swa. Is this like he said or sister oba be sadie no?
Said they should find balance.
A balance, which means that which suggests to me that that is what he may be doing.
Yes.
Now, when I will complain, say, assume he says allegation here true, it is not a good thing. That is why he's complaining. Not so. Why would you come and continue it if you think it's not good? Why only problem? What I will see, assume he said time now one year no sir. See I'll be bano nanado according to him no sir and nanado be and you are not happy. I don't think now we will continue because what you are suggesting, striking a balance means that you are likely also to toe that line. And we maintain that, as I said, I do not know of any requirement of appointment to the bench that will let you state your political affiliation or political ideology or your membership of a political party. I don't know of it. I do not know of it. You see, it's worrying, sir. Obedient President Mahama'S, with all the influence, will be saying things like this. The last time it was about the Supreme Court's judgment against in respect of their petition against them. Says here, you have made a wire blanket statement, appointment to the bench, suggesting the Supreme Court to Court of Appeal, High Court to Circuit Court to District Magistrate Court to Ninyano, about 80 people he knows. Or I don't know how he got his data anyway. That is why I'm saying that the appointed judges are not magistrates. They say moral uprightness and knowledge of the law.
And
there's nothing wrong to advise NDC lawyers to go for a career on the bench. There's nothing wrong with this. He can do that. But to say that people are politically inclined as judges,
people give example of Justice Jehu. Say Emre no MPP chairman of Volta region, a card-bearing member. He's at the Supreme Court now.
Yes.
Does that suggest say Emre now your party ni now ko seek a career in law? Yes. Now be a judge and until you should be bad?
No, I don't think so, because as we speak now, there's a sitting High Court judge who was a member of Parliament on the ticket of the NDC. A sitting High Court judge.
Huh?
So let us not make this kind of argument. That is why I said lawyers have the right. So much my politics. Now you appoint you court bench and you say because we are politicians, because you are a lawyer of competence, of a certain standing, of moral uprightness, you have a certain knowledge of the law. And you say we are politicians. That be because if they are referring to Justice Guy who at the Supreme Court, there's a sitting High Court judge who was a member of Parliament on the ticket of NDC. They know. So let us not go there. Look, let us not try to denigrate or to degrade our state institutions. President Mahama'S Oba presiding over all these institutions. So I will urge all of us to be careful what we say. They are men of influence. Personally, I admire him too much. This is the man I admire way back in Parliament because of the way he handles issues. He cuts across. He's a very gentleman that I like. I admire him so much.
Mepacho, one of your own.
Yes.
Amaliba.
Yes,
was say the Ghana Bar Association now is inclined towards the MPP and you have become toothless bulldogs.
Yes.
All of a sudden, you are not finding your voice, but you always find your voice when NDC is in power.
Yes.
Is that the case?
That is not the case. These allegations have been time without number. This, you see, everybody has an opinion and they can express it. If I remember reading something about him mentioning Ashama incident, it is true, we didn't issue a statement on Ashama, but Ashama happened under MPP regime. One of our say, oh God, one of the minister how since shooting incident, we didn't know under MPP, didn't issue statements. So look, people have every right to criticize us. We are not above criticism, but they should be fair to us. You don't have to make a blanket criticism. I understand. We are a human institution. And yeah, DBI issue statement. But to create the impression that say MPP or power there, say NDC or power there, I don't think it is true, because the bar is for all lawyers, irrespective of your political affiliation. Now, the bar is for all of us. We are in leadership. If you have anything that you have to tell us, you are free to suggest to us. There's nothing wrong with it. At least you attempt to suggest in a rubbish, and I say you so. That's the way we run an institution. And the way new is the usual accusations.
Okay.